Hey, what's up, everyone? Just moving some studs on the rev, getting ready to do some water. As you can see, I've pulled a couple idler wheels off there. You know, I don't feel like fucking up my brand new bearings, as most of these parts are going to be going in the new chassis. It's going to be a 136. This track and rear skids going in submarine mode. Just started pulling out all the studs. I'm going to be putting those in the 136 track, and I guess I'll just time lapse this whole thing and see where we end up. Well, that's that. I got all the studs out. It didn't take me too long, but it's not my first time doing it either. Guess now I'll just pull those 3 idler wheels out and get her back on her track. Continue the rest of the modifications for the water mod. I still got to clean out my carbs. Made this nifty little detachable gas tank the other day. This carb right here seems to be spitting some fuel on me, so I'll clean those up next, I guess, and see what else I can rip off to shave some weight. Should be a good time. Okay, well, finished getting the studs out. I'm gonna pop off these idler wheels. I just flipped the slide over. Actually got enough room in the garage to do that for once, which is pretty rare. These are pretty easy to take off. Give them a little spin there. You'll see this little notch spot right here. Screwdriver just fits in there nicely, and you just pop it off, and away you go. I'm only going to film taking one of these off because it's the same procedure for all of them. They'll end up looking like this when you're done. I just bag them all like that. See if I can set you guys up here to see this. Oh, things gonna give me a hard time there, guys. Things gonna give me a hard time. This will be a lot easier when Danielle gets off work. Then she'll let me shoot. Everything will be a lot easier. I don't even know I'm gonna film this right now, guys. I'm at a loss here. Just trying to get it all up close and personal for you guys so you can see what I was doing, but now I've got it jammed into a bucket of studs. It's pretty simple. It's just a 13 mil bolt straight through. So I don't have much torque left in my hand. I broke this thumb recently. It's still healing. After you take this bolt out and you slip the idler wheel off, there's this little bushing you want to make sure you don't lose. I also like to pop the plastic cap off. That's just me. You can leave it on the aluminum bezel if you want to. I guess it'd be called the aluminum mounting point. Just slides on, slides off. Keeps snow and dirt and stuff out of your bearings. That's pretty much it for the idler wheel. And to remove this, it's pretty simple as well. It's just a 13mm bolt through the bottom. It's very hard to do one here. I'm somehow doing it. That's it. That's removing the idler wheel. Do that 2 more times here, and yeah, undercarriage will be ready for some water.